Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold has moved out of zone, what you can say, after so many months. This you can say around from May 2023 the breakout has happened, and a probability is high that we can see a further upside, because after moving out of a zone of around 1980, you can say 1989, this is the level which was the high of the zone. Okay, and after that it has made around $25 movement upside. Okay, now trading at a level of $2006, and chances are very high it will go further high, because there is a clean probability and a further upside movement that it can cross a level of around $2076 also, and a further upside we can see in the price of gold. Okay, and these are similar patterns are forming. As you can see, this is the 2-year pattern, this is an 8-month pattern. Okay, before that there is a 12-year pattern. Okay, all are being similar patterns are forming in gold. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, so what you can see looking at this particular chart, you got is clearly creating this pattern. So suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2030, and if it moves above that level, it will cross a level of around 2048. After $2030, we can see it will cross a level of around $2048, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross a level of around $2076, and then a further upside we can see, and then there is a higher chances that it will go further high, and yes, there is a probability that it will cross a level of around 2078 and then further upside. But remember something, that you always have to set your SL, because it will save your capital, and always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you have to do in order to make profit in the market. Okay, and the market is very volatile, so when the market is volatile, always remember to reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL by twice as well as your target. Okay, so your SL should not be hit. Now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $1999. Okay, and if it goes below that particular zone, it will go further down, and a probability of going towards a level of around 1985. After 1999, we can see it can go towards a level next support of 1985. If the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 1979. After 1979 to a level of $1975. After 1985 we can see a level of 1975, and from there we can see it will go further low, and a probability of going towards 1965, and then to a level of $1958 after 1965. Okay, so keep that in mind. As soon as started falling below this zone, a further downfall we can see, and then we can see it will go towards a level of around 1900 as soon as it moves below a level of 1945. Okay, after that 1933, and then a further low. So if the price level of 1950, and make another video explaining you this. You have to remember that overall trend as of now for the gold is on an upside. Okay, and if it started going above a level of 2000, which is already being moved, and chances are high it can go towards a level of 2048, and then it will cross this particular high, because it is already being tested. Okay, if you look at this particular pattern, now once the price move out of this zone, it will go above around 30, 40, even 50% we can see, percent of 30, 40, $50 we can see it will go further high, and then a profit booking can come, because other traders might be waiting for their profit booking, so they will try to book above a level of around $2079. So probability is very high, we can see it will go to that level, and then they will started booking the profit. So you have to remember this, that whenever the U-turn comes, okay, always keep watching a 15 minutes candle and a day wise candle, where the profit booking will come, and then we can see a swing will come. So that is where the point profit booking will be coming, so you have to exit at that point. Always try to trail your SL. So okay, so whether market goes up or down, you will be in profit. Okay, suppose if you are in 100% profit, if it comes down to 80, always exit the trade, or 70, exit the trade. Whether market goes up or down, you will be in profit. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm going to mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.